Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change language in Pod Player. So let's get started. Open Pod Player on your computer. Click on the menu icon in the top left corner, then select Preferences from the drop-down menu. In the Preference window, navigate to the General tab. Look for the language option or a drop-down menu labeled Language. Click on the drop-down menu and choose your preferred language from the list of available options. Pod Player will instantly choose to the selected language. After selecting the new language, click OK or Apply at the bottom of the Preference window to apply the changes. Close Pod Player and restart the application for the language changes to take effect. Once restarted, Pod Player will be displayed in the newly selected language. And that's how you change the language settings in Pod Player. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.